Samsung fans, it's official. The next Galaxy Unpacked event is just days away. And trust me, this one could be huge. From next-gen foldables to bold shots at Apple, let's break down everything you need to know. Mark your calendars, July 9th, New York City. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked 2025 is set to unfold, literally. And this time we're expecting some serious hardware upgrades. Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will headline the event, with rumours pointing to sleeker designs, improved hinges and bigger batteries. And for the budget-conscious, the Flip 7 FE, yes, a foldable fan edition, could shake up the mid-range market. Also in the spotlight, the Galaxy Watch 8 series, new Galaxy Buds Core and maybe even a glimpse at Samsung's long-rumoured trifold phone or mixed reality headset. Alongside hardware, we're expecting a fresh look with One UI 8, likely based on Android 15. Think redesigned widgets, smoother animations and upgraded privacy tools. Samsung may also pack in new AI-powered features, especially for Galaxy AI, continuing the trend they set with the S25 Ultra earlier this year. And yes, Samsung's coming in spicy. Their latest Unpacked teaser takes direct jabs at Apple, mocking blue bubbles, file sharing limits, and that walled-off ecosystem. They're positioning Galaxy as the more open, flexible alternative, a bold move ahead of Apple's foldable and AI rollouts. So, will the Fold 7 steal the spotlight? Will Samsung out-innovate Apple this year? We'll find out July 9th. I'll be covering the event live, so make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Drop a comment. Are you Team Galaxy or still loyal to the iPhone?